Hey everyone, welcome back to the drone location game. Yes, those are raindrops. We did not have a winner in our last episode, which was number 53. Please feel free to have a look and try to guess that one while you think about this spot. A few more hints this time because of the lack of geographical landmarks. This is a beautiful beach on an Indian Ocean archipelago. The name of the beach comes from the French word for administrative or supervisory role, especially as it pertains to government. As the video ends, you can see a coconut beside the rock on the beach. There is a couple taking pictures as well. I made a YouTube short of the coconut and the rock. Please leave your guesses in the comments. I would appreciate a like or share, and I thank you so much for watching. Would you like to visit this spot? It's high on our list of places to visit again.